What if I told you there's a way, a really easy way to create fun and beautiful doodles, and you can do it with zero drawing skills? Hi, I'm Kristen, and I'm going to show you step by step how to doodle like a pro using these 6 simple shapes. If you can draw these 6 easy shapes, you can absolutely do this. Together, we will draw a variety of fun doodles with endless outcomes. And I'll be sharing my own personal tips and tricks along the way. I'll teach you how to prevent shaky lines by building muscle memory, and how to vary your shapes for different looks, how to repeat them for patterns, and even how to embellish them for a more intricate look. I'm even going to give you practice pages and templates you can print and use. By the end of this class, you will be able to draw a work of doodled art, whether it's simple and elegant, intricate and detailed, or even colorful. So, grab a pen and paper, click and roll, and let's draw oodles of doodles.